What's up, guys? Rich Styles here, and today we're going to be working more on waving. Why? Because waving's fun. This is a game that I use to help me get out of this invisible box that most dancers like to live in. I noticed that a lot of dancers, especially me, like to stay in one spot. And by doing this exercise and technique, it actually helps me get out of my own comfort zone and expand my movement a little bit more. So this is the game. You ready? All right, you can use this game for any style or any kind of dance that you want, but because we're doing waving, we're gonna stick to waving, all right? So what I want you to do is, I want you to pick 3 checkpoints on the floor. It could be anywhere, and you're going to have to dance your way to those 3 points. And you are not allowed to stay in one spot for more than 5 to 10 seconds. So this game works really well if you have a training partner, so they can yell at you and tell you to move. You're staying in one place for way too long. I don't, because I don't have any friends.
Hello, darkness, my friend.
Cool? All right, the game is as simple as that. Now here are some tips. So the trick here is to try to not repeat the same kind of moves or transitions you did to get from one place to the other. This forces you to be more creative and, explore different kinds of movements. Creativity. So because I like to wave a lot with my hands, those are my default starting points. I'm going to try waving with my head and see what happens. All right, now I'm gonna try to wave with my elbow. All right, now, so here's the hard part for me. I'm gonna try to wave and move around using my shoulders. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial slash game slash concept. Use this dance tutorial to help you get unstuck and, you know, try to expand your movement. It actually opens up your dance style, you know. Alright, well I'm actually late and I actually have to go. So, you know, use what I taught you and keep practicing. Alright, peace. Hey guys, thanks for taking time out to watch this video. I hope you guys understood the concepts and applied it to your own dance. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, smash that subscribe button and let me know in the comments if you want me to break anything else down. Also, if you want to learn more about waving, I have a waving course on my site that helps break down waving and other fancy concepts. Later!